Welcome to Business Live. This is Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got Eppley Limited declaring a dividend here. It's a nice one. Board of directors, the meeting was held on November 13th, 2020. Ordinary dividend, 3.72 cents Jamaican, was declared. It's going to be paid before Christmas. Always a good thing. December 15th, 2020. Scotia Group Jamaica Retirement and appointment of senior management officers. Mrs. Marcia Gaudet has retired from the company effective October 31st, 2020, and the appointment of Mrs. Makiba Bennett Easy effective November 1st, 2020 to the position of Director Caribbean, North and Central America. Big news here, Tropical Battery. Talk about coming out of the IPO with a bang. So doubling profits for the fourth quarter. They elected to come out with their unaudited results for Q4, and what a great decision it has turned out to be. Earnings per share of 2 cents Jamaican versus 1 cent. In terms of absolute numbers, Jamaican dollars 26.9 million profit for the quarter. The management discussion analysis goes on to say revenue is hitting a record, almost 506 million Jamaican. When you look at the balance sheet, strong current ratio, everything, numbers are looking very good here. And the book value per share, more than we would have thought on Business Live as well. But good results overall. Stationery and office supplies, SOS Limited, coming out here with a Q3 and year-to-date results. Clearly very much hit by COVID-19, especially the third quarter Q3 results. Barely profitable, a couple of $1 million. We're going to talk about that. So Q3 earnings falling dramatically by 67%. So profits dropping to 6.7 million Jamaican dollars here in the third quarter. Revenues scaling back to 239 million Jamaican from 294 million Jamaican. Year to date, we're seeing similar results also at SOS. Last up, the big news, DoorDash in overseas markets, international news, releasing pre-IPO details. Very exciting here. It is the big news of the day and maybe even for the whole week ahead. The company is the number one food delivery company with 50% market share. Revenues coming out with its pre-release numbers, hitting $1.9 billion US for the 9 months 2020, more than 300% year over year. Amazing. The company showing a whopping 18 million customers. The company goes on to say it wants to deliver everything, doing lots of partnerships with pharmacies, clothing companies. So it looks like it will be a competitor for many other companies and not just food. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.